Hi kids, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to have a lesson on prefixes. This will go with your HISD lesson for this week. So a prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a root word. Remember, we have to have a base word, a root word that you know, and then a prefix is letters or sounds added before to change the word. So a prefix changes the meaning of a word. So let's look at some examples. Here are some prefixes we know. Means again. So let's look at this word, react. I see the root word act, and then I have which means again. So it means to act again. Bi means two. We have bicycle. Here we have the root word cycle and bi, which means two wheels, two. Here we have which means before. Let's look at the example, preview. So here's the root word, view, and means before, so it's before we view it. Unhappy, look at which means not. You find the root word, which is happy, and we know means not, so the word would mean not happy. Here is impolite. The root word is polite, and means not, so impolite means not polite. Disagree, the root word is agree, and we know dis means the opposite of, so it means you wouldn't agree with that person. The last one is nonsense. Here we have sense. Non means not, so that means it wouldn't make any sense. Let's look at a little passage. Randy's bike tire, follow along, was flat. He couldn't find the pump because the garage was in disorder. It's hopeless, said Randy. I'll never make it to the soccer game on time. Okay, so let's look at this word in red, disorder. Now you find the root word. Okay, if you said it was order, you're correct. Order is the word that we know. And then we have dis in front of it, which means not order, which means it was not organized or in disorder. That's nonsense, said his brother Jake. You can use my bike. Okay, let's look at this word in red. You find the root word. The root word is sense. And then we have non in front of it, which means it doesn't make sense. Okay, here we have an anchor chart. This is a great time for you to get out your journal and copy, and you can put the video on pause. Here we have all these prefixes. We have dis, miss, in. They all mean not. So here is examples: dishonest, not honest, unbuckled, not buckled, misplaced, not in the right order, improper means not proper, inactive means not active. Remember, it's before the base word. That is the prefix. Here we have some other examples: de, ex, pre, and they all have their own meanings. Means to do again, refill, fill again. De means from, derail means go from the rail. Ex means out of, exclaim or cry out. And pre means before, like we said, or prepay means pay before, and means not or the opposite of. Like remember unhappy, untie, that means not tie, and unhappy means not happy. Okay, so go ahead and get out your journal and copy this anchor chart and try to come up with some prefixes on your own too. So the activity today that you're going to do, we're going to understand what we learned about. Remember, prefixes are letters or sounds before the word to change the word, added to a base word. So you're going to read these two sentences on your own. You can copy them in your journal and underline. The words that are underlined are the ones that we are learning about, and you're going to tell me what they mean. I hope that y'all are doing well, kids, and thank you for watching the video. And this is your HISD activity that goes with your lesson today. I'll see you soon.